Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Wi-Fi network setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you pair guys your Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone. Friends, you want to pair guys your Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone, so guys you can pair it. Friends, now let me tell you guys how can you pair guys your Wi-Fi network. So friends, first of all guys open your phone setting to pair guys your Wi-Fi network. So as you can see your settings, so guys we will click on guys Wi-Fi setting to pair it. Then guys you can see this type of settings. So guys on your first of all Wi-Fi, and guys which Wi-Fi network guys you want to pair with your Realme phone, so guys you can pair. So first of all guys I will refresh it, and guys you want to add a network, so guys you can add network from here. So friends, you can add network from here, and friends come back and guys which network guys you want to pair. So I want to pair guys this Mukesh 5G network. So I will enter password here guys, so guys you can enter also your password. You can check guys your password from here, and right option guys tap here to pair. So when Wi-Fi network will pair in your phone, and guys you can use guys this Wi-Fi network while operating YouTube app and WhatsApp, Instagram guys you don't have data. So guys you can pair guys Wi-Fi network, and guys you can use guys your YouTube, Instagram app, WhatsApp like that app guys you can use it in your Realme phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Wi-Fi network in Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video. Bye.